Are you playing cricket today? Go Hip-po United! Woo woo! Let's do some warm-ups for your cricket game today. Ready? Let's start with marching on the spot. Come along and join in 3, 2, 1, go! March like you just hit a 6 and forgot to run. March 2, 3, 4, march 2, 3, 4. You're doing so well! Keep it up. March 2, 3, 4, march 2, 3, 4. We're almost there. Good work. What a fun exercise. Rest time. Up next, windmills. Go! Stretch right out. You're doing so well. Big arms like you're bowling the world's slowest spin. Reaching right down to your toes. Nice! Great stretch, Hippo. And done. Great work, Hippo. That was really good. Next up, jogging on the spot. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Run like you're chasing the ball all the way to the boundary. A few more seconds. Almost there. Or you'll miss your turn to the back. Quick. And done. That was brilliant. Rest time. Let's do some back turns. Ready? Let's start. You're doing great. Twist like you're checking for fielders behind you. Turn to the side. Now to the other. Keep it smooth, like a calm day at the crease. Checking if it's tea break already? Hippo's favourite. You did great! And to you at home, keep going! Up next, jumping jack. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! You're smashing this! Keep it up! Those jumps are like popping up to catch a tricky ball. Big moves like that win big matches. And done. Time for a break. Up next, side squats. Side squats? Easy. Just pretend you're dodging a flying cricket ball. Are you ready? Let's go! Keep up the energy. Did someone order one large effort with extra sweats? You're officially 87% cooler than before. Excellent workout, Hippo. Now let's finish with some fun, fast movements. I will say the movement in the reverse order and you're going to try to follow up as quickly as you can, okay? Go! Side squats. Jumping jacks. Back turns. Jogging. Windmills. Marching on the spot. Well done! Now you're ready for your big game. See you again soon. Bye bye.